Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to go to WordPress Dashboard from cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and scroll down and search for WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Once you get it, click on it. And then here you will be able to see your WordPress installation, and then click on login. And here we can see I successfully sign in into my WordPress dashboard from my cPanel. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the video description below. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel How to 1 Minute. Thank you so much for watching.